Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to enable Stripe in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. After logging into your account, now you'll be greeted by this home page and we can get started. So here at the left side screen, we can see all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on, that can enable us to edit our store. What we're looking for is right here at the left side screen. At the bottom of the page, we have the settings option. We want to open up settings. After opening up settings, it's going to open up this new menu of your settings where you can take a look at general, plan, billing, and so on, all the settings you can use for managing your store. What we're going to do is open up the payments option right here. After opening up payments, guys, this is now going to open up this new payments menu where we can get started with taking a look at the supported payment methods for our countries and what we can use. What we want to do, guys, is open up the payment providers right here. We can go ahead and choose a provider. This is going to enable us to go ahead and select whatever options for credit cards we want to use. So you see here, you have multiple options, and what we can do is search for Stripe. So click the search bar right here and search for Stripe. As you can see, this is now going to enable us to add Stripe to our shop. So you can see it's unavailable in my country, but if it's available in your country, you can just click on it and get started with adding it by providing your information, details, and so on, and editing it to your store. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.